Okay, this is a tutorial to show you guys how to put in state test information. Specifically, the first one is for winter keystones. So there are two ways to do this. There's always two ways we set this up. One is to do it on an individual student detail record or in a list view. So we'll show you the specific record first. So if you go into the state testing, you'll see this information here. You put in the test site and you put in the keystone, and then these are the types of accommodations that you guys used to put in the backpack. These are the ones that are needed so that we get the information, like large print text, magnifiers, use of a laptop, blah blah blah. If there's none, click none. Additional comments can go here, whatever you need to put in. Okay, so you can do this on the individual student record, or the easier way to do this, so when you're doing it in mass, is to go to the list, which comes from options. You go to state tests, and you'll see it defaults to all your students that are assigned to you, sorted by last name, alphabetical order. Okay, just like it's like it is everywhere else. So to put the information in for this student, obviously this is a K5 kid, this will be for the high school kids, but just for an example, you click this here, same information you saw before, the test site, what tests they're taking, and the major accommodations that are needed for here. If there are other accommodations, things you need to put in, you can cut and paste from a source, or you can just type them in here. Okay. So those leaving, press close, additional comments here, test, and the site is here. So all this information that's needed for the proctors will be on one page, and it will be sorted by test site. Okay, so you just go to the next student, put in the next information, and the major things here. Anything else needs put in, press here. Then you can just keep going down the list this way, so it makes it easier. If you get to a student that's missing a lot of information here, you got to look and say, oh, I don't have my username, grade, all those kinds of things. Now to go to the student record, you just click this button, and you go to Derek Jeter, and you need to put in some more information for the student. Okay, so some of the bigger things, obviously all of the stuff in here needs to be put in. Okay, so it just gives you an idea of what's missing. Go back to state tests, and keep going down your list. Put those things in. Now these things will be sorted. If you need to look at by sites or something, you can click Winter Keystone, and what that will do is it will sort it by site and by grade. So so you know how many kids are at each site, and then admin wise, we're going to sort all the students by clicking that, and then we can just print pages that will sort by sites. If you need to find it as one student, you can just type in here, type in the last name, press enter. It'll go to that one student, and you can put in the information, and then to get all your students back, you just click the this little show all students, and it'll put it all back on there, alphabetical order by last name. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.